In this video, we'll learn how to classify applications as productive, non-productive, or neutral for the various departments registered in your TeamTrace account. To get started, navigate to Settings. Under TeamTrace Setup, select Productivity, then click on Productivity Apps. You'll be presented with a list of applications that can be assigned a productivity status per department. From here, you can select individual apps and mark them as productive, non-productive, or neutral for whichever departments are applicable. You also have the option to select all apps at once. In the top row, clicking on the first drop-down reveals apps organized by group, allowing you to apply a productivity status to an entire group for individual departments as needed. Please note that the apps listed here are hard-coded and cover nearly every application commonly used in the IT industry. If you need to add an app that isn't currently on the list, please reach out to our support team for assistance. Finally, you can use the search bar in the top right corner to locate any specific app quickly. You can also apply a department filter to narrow down the view as needed. Once this is configured, you can view the productive versus non-productive report in the Analytics section of your TeamTrace account.